A must-visit place during hot summer in Hong Kong, the Ng Tung Chai Falls. The spectacular waterfalls comprising Ng Tung Chai waterfalls of bottom, middle, main and scatter lie in the foothills of the 957-meter high Tai Mo Shan, Hong Kong's tallest peak. The soothing sight and sound of the relentless, ever-rushing waterfalls will have a calming effect on even the most restless of minds. Standing beneath these craggy, lush forest-shrouded waterfalls offering a stunning backdrop to photographs and videos serves as exhilarating. Sometimes hard-earned rewards after escaping the frantic-paced city for a few hours and winding your way along the sometimes steep and challenging trail to reach them. How to get to Ng Tung Chai Falls? From MTR Tai Po Market Station, you can walk to the adjacent bus terminus to take bus 64K to Yuen Long. Alight at the Ng Tung Chai stop and follow the signs to the falls, and pass the monastery to a crossroads. Stay left and you'll soon reach bottom fall. Enjoy your hike and swimming. With a drop of 35 meters, the main fall is the city's highest waterfall. Whether it's the truly epic nature of the beautiful setting before you, or the joy you feel at having reached this goal after completing the arduous uphill climb, Main Fall will take your breath away. The air is noticeably cooler in the shadow of this rocky colossus, too, so it's no surprise to see different butterflies thriving in this heart-stirring natural haven.
Basura. Ari si special person. Nag-absent kaming daruan ni si Aileen sa amon nga mga appointment para lang pagdan mag-hiking. See? Special child.
Take a deep breath when you arrive at the last waterfalls, and not only because of the feeling of accomplishment, but because the air seems to smell sweeter. It might have something to do with the many flowers dotted amid the rocks beside the dancing sprays of water. As its name implies, the water at Waterfall looks like long, flowing locks of hair scattering down the side of the hill. In the shade at the top of the fall, you may spot a single stunning red flower. There is also a cave to the right of the pool. The soothing whoosh made by Middle Fall, situated in a wide, pleasingly open environment, makes an instant impression on visitors as they pause amid the rocks while looking up at the tumbling water. Its constant, reassuring rhythm, like soft rainfall hitting rocks, is amplified because of the setting and height of the waterfall. You should take a moment to sit and relax beside the small pool before you start the most challenging climb of the hike for feet and hands. Bottom Fall is arguably the most mystical of the 4 waterfalls along this epic trail. Arriving there feels as if you've stepped into the heavily forested world of Pandora from the science fiction film Avatar. Hanging branches reach down towards large boulders that give way to an inviting natural pool at the base of Bottom Fall. If you stand in the right spot, to the left of this natural grove and look up, you'll be able to photograph 3 different waterfalls in one spectacular shot. The soothing whoosh made by Middle Fall, situated in a wide, pleasingly open environment, makes an instant impression on visitors as they pause amid the rocks while looking up at the tumbling water. Its constant, reassuring rhythm, like soft rainfall hitting rocks, is amplified because of the setting and height of the waterfall. You should take a moment to sit and relax beside the small pool before you start the most challenging climb of the hike for feet and hands. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and leave your comment below.